I learned English from the 5th grade of elementary school. I didn't really like English and was good at speaking English as time when by I was in 5th grade of junior high school and got a home homeroom homeroom teacher with an English speaking teacher. He was a frame teacher and easy to understand in terms of teaching English. We as students found it very difficult to learn English, but with him we quickly grasped the vocabulary. I was in 8th and 9th grade. I didn't have him as my English teacher. The current teacher is very difficult to understand in pronouncing or teaching. But I always listen to song, movie, podcast in English. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain about me in English.
Hi everyone.
First
Today
of
I want to tell you about my story.
I will tell you about my
journey from
life and when I was in elementary school. English in high school was very bad because the teacher was really incomprehensible in delivering the material or pronouncing English. I really like listening to English a song like Perfect, Drunk Text or Angel Baby. For movie, I really like watching Western or Spanish films in English. I also to watch Barbie movies. I always want to learn English with various kinds of learning. Learning English can be done using a cell phone through application, watching English films and songs. I used to really want to take English lessons, but I thought about the economy and my parents' permission. I was afraid that I would be allowed to take English lessons, but I never give up. I will always learn English by any means. My name is Eva Hidayah Ruyatna, usually called Aya. I was born in a small village in West Java on October 25. Since childhood, I have had high aspirations. Also, growing up in a simple family, my parents always encouraged me to be brave and keep moving forward to achieve my dreams. My parents always encouraged me to be brave and keeping moving forward to achieve my dream. Since junior high school, I have been shy and lacked the courage to speak in public. However, up the court to apply for the student council office for 2 years. When I entered high school, I studied diligently until I ranked first in my class. However, in the second semester, my grades dropped drastically due to circumstances. However, I did not give up. I studied even harder in subsequent classes and managed to rank in the top 5. In addition, I was also active in various school activities. I joined the inter-school student organization and became a member of Division 4. I made good friends and developed a strong sense of community, and currently I am studying at Pamulang University, majoring in tax accounting. I hope to further develop my various talents and gain a wealth of knowledge here. Journey to the current stage as a student at Unpam is very difficult. I have to feel the feeling of being reduced by SNBP at a state university and being hampered by my parents' blessing because they do not allow me to study in a city far from their reach. But I continue to convince them that I will be fine there and focus on pursuing my education. Finally, I managed to get my parents' blessing, and I will prove to them that their decision to allow me to study outside the city is not wrong. The reason I majored in tax accounting
When I first entered
is
college,
because I want to realize my childhood dreams.
I still remember my first day.
I want dream of working in the government of something related to tax. Previously, I was not very fluent and good at English, but I want to learn and study English because English is very important for us. Since childhood, I have had a passion for reading novels of various genres, except except horror and thrillers. My favorite novel are young adult novels because they are appropriate for my age. However, I occasionally read novel in other genres such as comedy and fantasy. I usually read one page a day to practice consistency in reading. I usually read physical books because I prefer them and find them more convenient than digital ones. Every month, I make time to go to the bookstore and buy new books. I am in a family of 3 siblings. I am the first child and I have 2 young siblings, a boy and a girl. I love them very much, even though I always fight with them every day. But after being far from them, I always miss them. I now live in Tangerang and they are at home,
For me,
namely
life is
Subang.
not
I always
just
hope they,
a
my younger
picture of
sibling,
the
live
It's
well
the way of
and
self-discovery. It's
are
where I
always
learn
happy.
not only from books,
Talk,
but also from
talking about my
experience.
favorite food,
People
I
and
really
jobs
like
that help shape who I'm today.
tempe with
Thank you
rice when it
everyone. See
comes
you
to
in
snack and
my
or
next
snacks. I really
about
like
my
seblak and spicy
college.
food
Wassalamualaikum
because
warahmatullahi
I really like
wabarakatuh.
spicy food. My favorite drink is coffee and matcha chocolatos. It's really delicious and is very my favorite when buying drinks.